Now that the stores near us have stopped taking plastic bags for recycling because of the pandemic, we've been saving our bags for when they start collecting them again. Recycling is important because it helps us make less trash and save space in landfills. Recycling can help make less pollution to keep our earth and environment clean. Did you know most plastic bags are used for an average of 12 minutes, but takes 500 years or more to break down in a landfill? That means our plastics just sit there. Bags don't break down completely like compost and other natural materials. Instead, they become a microplastic. Microplastics are very small pieces of plastic that are toxic and pollute the environment. This is why it's important to use reusable bags when shopping if we can, or find ways to reuse materials. When we use materials again, we take less from the earth. We found a lot of amazing people doing amazing things to help us recycle. We appreciate the hard work that goes into sorting recycle from trash. Some people have also found creative ways to reuse plastic bags, such as making beautiful tote bags, planters for plants, and colorful baskets. An organization called Bags to Beds even found a way to use plastic bags to make sleeping mats for the homeless. We would love to try making some of those projects someday, but for now as beginners, we thought we'd stick to making a jump rope out of our plastic bags. To begin, flatten 24 to 30 bags and cut off the handles and bottom of the bags like this. We found the number of bags you need depends on how long you want the jump rope and the thickness of your plastic bags. We used 24 bags, which was good for my height. Now open the cut bags and make a ring shape with 2 of them. To connect the bags, stack the ends on top of each other and pull one end from below and one end from the top. Now, add the third bag by stacking the 2 connected rings to the new ring. Pull the bag from below like this and repeat the steps until you've connected 8 bags together. Make 3 separate strands of 8 bags. When you are finished, connect all 3 strands with duct tape. Now it's time to braid the 3 strands as tightly as possible. You'll need someone to help you hold the end. We tried using my heavy dictionary, but It wasn't strong enough, so my brother had to help me hold the end. It's important to braid the bags tightly so the rope is thinner and made tightly together. Since we have thicker bags, our jump rope turned out to be a little bigger in size. We think it may work better with thinner plastic bags, but we were still happy with how our jump rope turned out. You can always add more bags if your rope is too short. When you get to the end, tape the braid with duct tape. Now it's time to test it out. I haven't jump roped that much, so I was excited to try out our new jump rope. It was pretty fun, and with some practice, I'll get better at jumping. My mom even had some fun jumping. Hope you do too. Toodaloo. Hope you like our video. Please subscribe.